Hello everyone, and welcome to Tutorials Under 2 Minutes. Today we're going to talk about how to remove unwanted color swatches from InDesign. This is a project that once you're done and you don't need them, it's just a quick and easy way to delete them. One of the things I just recently was dealing with was a lot of color in a document that I was creating for work, and these are just some simple tutorials that lessons that I've learned that I'd like to share with you. So here's the color palette. Obviously this is just randomized, and here's all the colors that I have been playing with throughout the period of experimentation and discovery with the document. These are the colors that we've set on, but now I've got this full palette completely just chock full of everything that I've been playing with. But I don't want to know, because if I can click in here and it'll pop up, but what do I want to do with all this other stuff? Well, what I can do is go to the little hamburger, select all unused, and then delete. And then this just leaves me with everything that I'm happy with and that I'm going to continue along with. And that's how easy it is to delete unused color swatches in InDesign. We hope you follow us for more tutorials.